Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix unhandled exceptions has occurred in your application if you click continue. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click code start, type here Windows feature, click on turn Windows features on or off. Now here select this both option, .NET Framework 3.5, .NET Framework 4.8. Select this and click on OK. Now select Let Windows Update. Download the files for you. Now guys, once this downloading required files complete, restart your PC. And after restart you can guys fix and resolve. And guys, still you are facing errors, so you can try second method. Click on start, type here cmd. Right click on command prompt or run as administrator. Here guys, you have to type this command line sfc /scan now. So type this command line and press enter. Guys, it will take a couple of minutes to completing this scanning, and once this scanning will complete, close and restart. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve unhandled exception has occurred in your application if you click continue. So thanks for watching, and please comment on this method work for you or not.